If the line 3x plus 4y minus k equals to 0 touches the circle, then find the value of k. Let us begin. Now here, to solve this problem, we will be using the condition of tangency. Now we are given here the equation of the circle. We have x squared plus y squared minus 10x equals to 0. We are going to compare it with the general equation of a circle, which is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. So when you compare, we get the values of 2g. So 2g will be negative 10, which means that the value of g will be negative 5. Then we have 2f equals to 0, which simply means that the value of f will be 0. Then c value will be equals to 0. Now this g and f corresponds to the coordinate of the center of the circle, which is negative g comma negative f. So that means we have 5 comma 0. So that's going to be the coordinates of the center of the circle. Fine. Now the equation of this line is also given to us. This is the tangent line. We have 3x plus 4y minus k equals to 0. So this is tangent to the circle, let's say at point A. Now what we'll do, we'll join C and A. So this is going to be the radius of the circle, CA, as well as radius of the circle. Okay, let's also find out the radius of the circle. The radius can be obtained by using the formula square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. That will be equals to square root of, so g squared will be negative 5 squared, so we have 25. F and c are 0, so that means our radius comes out to be 5 units. Okay, now we have the radius of the circle CA. However, we can also use the formula, the distance of the point C from the straight line. So the distance will be given by CA equals to, we'll take the absolute value and we'll have to take the ratio. In the numerator, we'll have to start with the x coordinate of the center. So that's 5. 5 will get multiplied to the coefficient of x of the straight line. So that will be 3. So we have 5 times 3 added to the y coordinate of the center. So that's 0. 0 will get multiplied to coefficient of y, which is 4. And that will be added to the constant term, which is negative k, divided by the square root of, we'll take the square of the coefficient of x, that's 3 squared, and add it to the square of the coefficient of y, which is 4 squared. Now CA, this is distance we have already defined. This is the radius of the circle with 5 units, which means that 5 will be equals to, we have the absolute value 15 minus k divided by, so square root of 3 plus 4 squared. 3 squared plus 4 squared will be simply 5. And solving for the value of 5, we have absolute value of 15 minus k equals to 25, which gives us two sets of equation. We have 15 minus k equals to positive 25, or we have 15 minus k equals to negative 25, which gives us the value of k, as k will be equals to 15 minus 25, so that's negative 10, and k will be equals to 15 plus 25, so that's 40.